Welcome to Best Choice. The best Les Paul wiring harness is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for any Les Paul guitar. It's the heart of your guitar's electronics, responsible for shaping your tone and controlling your volume and sound. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Les Paul wiring harnesses, exploring what makes a great one and how it can transform your playing experience. Number 5. Golden Age Les Paul Wiring Kit. This kit has everything you need to wire your Gibson Les Paul guitar. It's a convenient kit that includes all the necessary components for a standard setup. This kit is designed for 4-control, 2-pickup guitars with a 3-way switch. It simplifies the wiring process, providing all the essential parts in one package. It's an economical choice for any wiring job. The kit features PVC-insulated wire, alpha pots, and ceramic capacitors, ensuring quality and affordability. The kit comes with a wiring diagram to guide you through the process. It makes it easy to upgrade or repair your guitar's electronics. Please note that control knobs are not included. Refer to the product description for a full list of the kit's components. What we like. This kit is an economical choice, offering all the essential components. It's perfect for any wiring job, featuring standard parts and a helpful diagram. If you're on a budget and need a straightforward solution for your Les Paul, this is the one for you. What people say. The wiring harness was a perfect fit and the guitar sounds amazing. The harness is a great upgrade and the pots are smooth. The quality of the components is excellent. Number 4. Guitar Wiring Harness Kit for LP Electric Guitar. This is a complete circuit wiring kit. It includes everything you need to control the volume and tone of your guitar. It's a great accessory for guitar enthusiasts. The kit includes two A500K potentiometers for volume control and two B500K potentiometers for tone control. This allows you to shape the sound of your guitar. You can easily adjust the sound. It also comes with a 3-way toggle switch. This switch allows you to select different pickup configurations. This gives you more tonal options. If you're assembling an electric guitar, this kit is essential. It's completely pre-wired, so all you need to do is solder your pickups and ground them. It's very easy to use. Made of quality materials, this kit is lightweight and durable. The wires are anti-aging, ensuring a long lifespan. This will be a great choice for you. What we like. This kit comes completely pre-wired, making installation a breeze. It's made from quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. If you want to assemble your own guitar and need a simple, reliable wiring solution, this kit will be a great choice for you. What people say. The wiring harness was a perfect fit and the guitar sounds amazing. The quality of the components is excellent. Everything was clearly labeled and easy to install. Number 3. Guitar Humbucker Solderless Wiring Harness for LP. Tired of complicated guitar wiring? This harness simplifies everything. It's designed for easy soldering of your pickup wires. Specifically designed for LP-style guitars. This harness is a direct fit for many models, ensuring a perfect match for your instrument. Featuring high-quality 500K potentiometers and .022 UF capacitors, this harness delivers superior sound. It includes everything you need for optimal performance. The solderless design makes it easy to connect. This feature saves time and makes the upgrade process straightforward. The package includes the wiring harness, nuts, washers, and switch tips. It provides everything you need to upgrade your guitar. What we like. This harness features solderless connections, simplifying the wiring process. It's designed with metric components for easy compatibility. If you are looking for a quick and easy upgrade or replacement, and prefer a solderless design, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Good quality pots with clean connections. Very simple to install if you have even a little experience with Les Pauls. Nice upgrade for a replica or entree-level example. Number 2. 920D Custom Les Paul Wiring Harness. These potentiometers are built to precise instrument specs. They have a lower torque rating, providing a smooth feel for your guitar. Get the buttery knob sweeps you've always wanted. This upgrade will make your guitar sound amazing. Included are .022 UF orange drop capacitors. They deliver reliable performance and can add punch or smoothness to your tone. Gavit cloth-covered wiring is included for better balance. It gives you a clean signal without unwanted noise. Get a super clean signal for incredible tone. This jack is made in the USA. What we like. This kit features precision potentiometers for smooth knob sweeps and orange drop capacitors for enhanced tone. The cloth-covered wire ensures a clean signal. If you are a tone-loving guitarist looking for premium components and a superior sound, you should consider this one. What people say. Super clean and rich tone, bright bridge pickup sound without being too tin-y. Fat and thick neck pickup sound. The directions are very well done. There's enough flexibility with the wiring to maneuver as you need to, yet the joints are well soldered with quality wiring and components. Great quality parts and workmanship. Works fantastic. Number 1. ToneShaper wiring kit for Les Paul Standard. This is the ToneShaper wiring kit, designed specifically for your Les Paul Standard. It's the perfect way to upgrade your guitar's electronics and get the best possible tone. The kit features CTS 500K audio taper pots. These are low-torque pots with a 1-2-inch bushing length, suitable for any top thickness. You'll get the finest OEM components. We use the finest OEM component brands, so you know you're getting the right parts for your application. There are no generic part specs here, only quality components. The kit includes UTS threads for USA guitars. If you have an imported guitar, you may need to enlarge the holes. Everything you need is included. All hardware is included, and it's the right hardware. You'll have everything you need to complete the installation. Get ready to improve your guitar's sound. The kit comes with a professional wiring diagram. It's the highest quality documentation in the industry, making installation easy. What we like. This kit uses low-torque pots for a smooth feel and OEM components for quality. It includes all the right hardware, ensuring a perfect fit. If you like the finest components and want a professional-grade upgrade for your Les Paul, this is the kit for you. What people say. Top quality components, pots, caps, output jack plus switchcraft 3-way plus treble bleed, and excellent installation instructions. This kits are a first step to fixing that, as well as giving options for 50s wiring, high pass, and push-pull pots for splitting humbuckers. Came with everything, and came with several different wire options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.